family. So before we hop into the video, if you're somebody who's been looking to get in contact with me, YouTube has kind of changed their formats of where they put the description box. So what I want you all to do is go to the title, where the title bar is. There's a little arrow on the left hand side. If you click that arrow down, you'll see the information that you'll need in order to be able to contact me. I only have one email, and that email is partnerwithmeg@yahoo.com. I only have one personal Instagram. That personal Instagram is lovelymeg_. lovelymeg1_. I believe right now it's about 11,000 followers. So if you're not writing that Instagram, it's not my Instagram. I also have our business Instagram, which is Wealthy Vision Empire. No underscores, no spaces, no nothing. And we also have The Rich Family with 2 Y's. I do not have a personal Telegram. I do not have a personal WhatsApp. Only one email, 3 Instagrams, and that's it. If you're somebody who's trying to contact me. What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Megan, and I'm back again with another video. Honestly, family, it's a very sad day. It's a very sad day. We're moving. We're officially moving. We love this house. This house was amazing. It's just little few things that we don't like about it, so we're definitely not gonna make this a forever home. So we're moving back to about kind of like downtown LA today, actually. So I'm definitely, of course, gonna take y'all along the journey with me of packing up this entire house and moving back to our high-rise, one of our high-rise condos downtown LA. However, I know I've been dropping like a lot of value on my channel. I know I've been sharing with y'all my community. I know I've been sharing with y'all my strategies. I know I've just been really plugged in with y'all, but I know it's somebody that just came to my channel today and they're like, okay, what is this Forex stuff that this girl is talking about? Forex? What? Forex? Are you talking about a Forex tea? Because that's what I thought. Are you talking about a Forex tea? Like, what exactly is Forex? So, you know, towards the end of this video, I'm going to be explaining to y'all exactly what Forex is, how you're able to participate it, where it came from. I'm going to give you all the little tips that you need on exactly what Forex is, so that way when you're watching my channel, you know what you're watching. So stay tuned and follow along with me as I move and then explain to you what Forex is. What is up, family? I am back. I am out running errands right now. We're still in the process of moving. We have to go check into our new place in about an hour and a half. We're going to take some of our stuff tonight, some of our stuff tomorrow. I have to go to Texas here in a few days, so I'm going to do that, but something unfortunate happened yesterday. We were in Vegas. We were headed back from Vegas. We were leaving our hotel room, and my spouse had some of his prized possessions in a bag that he misplaced in the lobby somewhere. So he lost some glasses that he just got, these Louis Vuitton frames that he wanted for a while. He had finally got them. It was a couple other things in that bag, and he was really down about it. And you know, me and Mr. Rich off the net, we've been together for 10+ years, and our entire, you know, time we've been together, you know, we've been leveling up together. I've seen him take a lot of losses, and I always told myself, once it's my time, once I get to a point to where, you know, I can give back, I'm gonna make sure that you never take a loss ever again. So the fact that that happened yesterday, it really had him down. It really had him sad. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go and replace everything that he lost today. So that's what I'm out doing right now. He also had wanted the PlayStation 5, even though he doesn't even play the games like that. Like, me and him is always either trading Forex or pouring into the family, but I call it hype beast. He wanted the PlayStation 5, so on our way back last night to LA, I purchased the PlayStation 5 for him. And then today, I'm like, I'm gonna go back to the store. I'm gonna get those Louis Vuitton frames. I'm gonna reorder your glasses that got stolen. Like, I'm just gonna replace everything because you deserve it, and I'm tired of you taking losses. So I placed the order for the frames that he lost, but they won't be here for 3 to 5 days. So I went ahead and got him a fly pair to wear right now for the meantime. I ordered his glasses already. His glasses will be here in about 3 days. I replaced his contacts, so his contacts will be here. When I go to Texas in a few days, I'm gonna go get his Cartier frames and replace those. So he may have misplaced it yesterday, but you know, Meg always come through. Now that I'm in a position to be able to give back, I made sure that I replaced it the very next day. So that's what I'm out doing right now. I just have to run one more place to go return something that I can't fit anymore. Then I'm gonna head back to the house. We're gonna check into our new place, move in, and then I'm definitely gonna take y'all with me, but I'm gonna end it off with telling you guys exactly what Forex is. So stay tuned. Okay, YouTube family, so as I said in the video, I am going to be explaining exactly what Forex is. So let me not say exactly. I'm going to give you all a very simplified detail of what Forex is, because like I said, I'm doing this video because I know I have a lot of new subscribers that's, you know, that's coming onto our YouTube, and I just know people are people. Y'all are not scrolling down looking at my older videos that are almost a year old, so I feel like it's only right for me to redo a few videos just so I could catch my new subscribers up to speed before I drop more content, because then you're gonna just be lost. I don't want y'all lost. I made this channel so y'all not lost. Y'all know exactly how to make money like I make money. So with that being said, Forex, the thing that changed my life. What is this Forex thing that you all keep hearing about? This Forex this Meg, Forex this Meg. What is this Forex thing? I always hear you talk about it, but what is it? So first and foremost, Forex is not like a Forex size shirt. It is not spelled any kind of way. I've been seeing all kind of stuff. Forex is F-O-R-E-X. Forex, and it's short, and it stands for the foreign exchange market, foreign exchange currency. However you want to flip it, put it, twist it, it basically stands for the foreign exchange. I am going to do a more detailed video. It's going to be named, so you could be on the watch. It's going to be named like a more in detail explanation of what Forex is. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, definitely go subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and drop in the comments different videos you want to see from your girl before I continue. So with that being said, Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, foreign exchange currency. Foreign exchange is what Forex is short for. So a lot of people like to compare Forex to stocks. I always hear it a lot. I joined Forex or I trade stocks, so this should be similar. So yes, it's very much similar. But what I would say the biggest difference is you know, stocks is when you put money into companies, businesses like Nike, like Apple, like whatever you could think of. I'm looking at this Fiji bottle, like like you're putting money into businesses, and you're hoping that these businesses do good, because if they do good, you make money. Now, similar to this pandemic that's going on, a lot of companies either went bankrupt, lost money, or just simply went out of business. Anybody who had money in those stocks for that business basically lost money. So the biggest difference between Forex and stocks is, for one, stocks moves entirely slow. It takes a while to make money with stocks. Forex we make money with Forex fast, and that's because we're trading foreign currencies. We're participating in the foreign exchange market. For instance, if you were to travel to, let's say, Canada, you had $100, but you have 100 US dollars. You can't use 100 US dollars in Canada, so you have to exchange it for Canadian money. And let's say you're in Canada, you're having fun, you're having a good time, everybody's paying for you, it's your birthday, it's a celebration, everybody's paying for you, and you come back with that same $100. Now the foreign exchange market has moved, it has fluctuated. So now instead of you getting that 100 back, you may get 110 back, 120 back, and that's because the markets is constantly moving. So that's a big difference between the two. Stocks, like it goes up, it goes down, but the foreign exchange market could literally go up 1 minute and go down 1 minute. So when it's going up, we buy. So market's going up, we buy. If the market is going down, we sell. So we're able to capitalize off of the market going up and down, up and down, up and down at every moment. With stocks, you can only capitalize off of money that you put in, and that the stocks have to do good before you can have any type of return. So basically that's Forex. You're trading money, you're exchanging currencies for different people's currencies, but instead of you having to go to those foreign exchange, you know, booths that you see in the airport. I know in Texas we have some in the mall. Instead of you having to go to like out the country or going to the foreign exchange booths and actually exchanging it, we teach you how to do that from your phone on this app called MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is an app platform on your phone that you use to be able to exchange these currencies. So we're buying and we're selling. Now, something that some people always ask me, how do I buy? How do I sell? Like, how do I sell something that I don't have? That's not how Forex goes. Like, you simply put money into a broker account, So you can come in, let's say you put $200 on a broker account. Based off your account balance, that lets you know how much that you could gain or lose per pip. Pip is the price that it changes in the market. So think of it like this: if the market is going up, and let's say it goes up 5 pips, and let's say your lot size, which is the amount of money that you use per pip, let's say your lot size is $1 and the market goes up 5 pips. If your lot size is $1, you went in for a buy, you're gonna make $5, and you could literally make $5 in a second, in a minute, in an hour, in a day. It doesn't matter. It just depends on what pairs you're looking at. Stocks does not move like that. Forex is constantly fluctuating. It's constantly going up and down, and we're just in prime position to where we're able to take advantage of it, whether it goes up, whether it goes down. Either way it goes, we have trained eyes now, or we have tools that allow us and help us to be able to capitalize off of the markets constantly moving. Even if you have not a clue about what you're doing, if you join my community, if you join my platform, we'll show you how to be able to dive in and really take advantage of the foreign exchange market as you're still learning, because our motto here is learn while you earn. So basically, make money while you learn it. So just think of it like this: say you in college and your teacher's like, hey, tomorrow we have a math test at this time. If you show up to class tomorrow, I'm gonna pay you this amount of money per hour. It's simple. It's as simple as that. We pay you as you learn, or you make money as you learn. And that's just what's so beautiful about our community. Even if my example or my explanation is not clear, because I really try to chop it up and make it as clear as possible without confusing anyone, because like I said, I'm going to do a more detailed video later. That's just a quick explanation of what Forex is, the difference between stocks and Forex. Like I said, I'm going to make a more detailed video. But if you got a good understanding of it, or if you didn't get a good understanding of it, it's like, okay, I kind of understand, but I just want to have access to a community that could just help me along the way. Definitely make sure you email me below, partnerwithmeg@yahoo.com. I definitely have a wonderful community, a wonderful family of people that's all like-minded, all trying to learn the same thing together. We have tools, we have academy that's going to walk you through the steps of learning how to trade Forex. I like to describe our platform as us guiding you and holding you by your hand, because that's what our platform does. It literally holds you by your hand from the beginning to the end. It lets you, capitalize off of this $7.3 trillion a day skill set. It allows, we have tools that allow you to make money immediately. Matter of fact, if you want more details on my community, I actually just dropped a video. It's going to be most likely the video before this video, and it's a more in-detailed description of what my community is and how you could get access to my community, and what can my community do for you that you can't do for yourself right now. I honestly believe like it's important to find a good platform and a good mentor to take you along on your Forex journey if you're just starting. Now, I'm not saying you have to have a platform, and I'm not saying that you have to have a mentor, but I'm saying success loves speed. I'm saying, learning Forex is a skill set, so it will only be more wiser, and it will only be more obtainable and fun if you have a platform that's going to be your cheat code to success, if you have a mentor that's going to be your GPS to success, and if you have a community of like-minded family members that's going to be on the same path with you that you're learning from. It's game over from there. What more do you need? So I hope to see it and have every one of you as part of my platform, my community soon. I hope this video did you justice. I hope you really understand what Forex is, or got a basic understanding of what Forex is. That way you can participate in the market with us. But thank you family for all your love and support. Quick disclaimer, quick announcement, do not forget the Rich family, me and Rich Off the Net is doing a 3K giveaway. Okay family, so it is giveaway time. You all stuck to the end of this video just to hear, the giveaway rules. So first and foremost, myself and Rich, we just really collaborated. We're like, we want to just give back to our subscribers, our supporters, like people who watch us day in, day out. And then just hope to, wish to be where we are. We just want to give back to you all and just continue to provide awesome content. So with that being said, we are doing a
giveaway. Let's get it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to give $3,000 away, right? $3,000 away, and we're probably going to do either 6 winners or 3 winners. We don't know yet. We're trying to figure it out. We'll give away the more, or just give it away to the first 3 people. So the way this is gonna work, we're gonna have a few rules, right? So rule number one, which is very important, you guys gotta make sure you sub to all the channels, right? So that's the Rich Family, that's Rich Off the Net, you gotta be a sub, right? Now, once you're a sub, we need you to head on over, right? Not just a sub, turn the notifications on too, because you know all we do is talk about money. But once you get a sub, you got your notifications on, we need you to head on over to the Rich Family's Instagram, right? Make sure they got the spelling for that side.
The Rich Family with 2 Y's.
The Rich Family with 2 Y's. We need you to head on over there and like, right? We need you to like and comment the first pick and like and comment the giveaway pick, right? And when you like and comment the giveaway pick, we need you to share that to your page.
And tag the Rich Family.
And tag the Rich Family, guys. And we're gonna make this simple. We're either gonna pick a winner from the comments, or we'll probably go live on YouTube and pick a comments, or we might pick somebody out the inbox. So to give you the best chance, make sure you follow all the steps. That's subscribe to the Rich Family, subscribe to Rich Off the Net, head on over to the Rich Family Instagram, follow Lovely Meg, follow Rich Off the Net on the Instagram, and make sure you send all your proof to the Rich Family's page. Now check this out, when that page reaches 3,000 followers, right now it has probably 1, because we just made it. When that page reaches 3,000 followers, we will be announcing the winner, either on Instagram Live, YouTube Live, or whatever, but you want to make sure that you have the notifications on, you're subscribed, and you're following on the Instagrams. One, because we lit, and we're always giving back to you guys and telling you guys how you can be lit too, how you can be rich too, how you can be wealthy too, you can live the life you want too. But not just that, guys, so you can stay plugged in and get this money, guys. So $3,000, right? $3,000 we're giving away. This is really $3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $3,000, right? And all you gotta do is follow all the steps, right? So whoever video you're watching this on, you might be watching this on mine, make sure you hit that sub button, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below on this video. You might be watching this on the Rich Family, do the same, leave a comment, hit the sub button, and guys, take this giveaway serious, because we're gonna actually give this away to you to help you guys fund your account so you can start making money in the Forex markets, right? So not only is this 3K a giveaway, but this is 3K because we're trying to sow that seed into the next success story, to the next 6-figure, 7-figure earner. We hope you come back in a year or so and say, hey, that $1,000 or hey, that $600 that you gave me or that $500 that you gave me, it actually changed my life forever. So we hope that's you guys. This 3K is literally for you guys. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Anything else you guys say to them?
Just follow the steps and good luck.
Let's go.